Welcome back to another In the Kitchen video. I know it's been a minute, but I am back with another recipe. Today we're going to be making taco casserole. It is a bit different from taco salad, which I do have a video on as well. You're going to need 1 pack of taco seasoning. I got the cheesy taco. I love this one. A pound of ground beef of your choosing. You're also going to need cheese, shredded lettuce, pre-cut tomatoes already, sour cream, some mild sauce, that's completely optional though, and either you make your own biscuit cornbread kind of mix or you use pre-made, and I'm going to use the Jiffy corn muffin mix. And also beans on the side is completely optional or can become a layer. This is like bare minimum of the recipe, but you can add salsa, guacamole. There are a ton of different things you can add in their layers. You also need a casserole dish. First step is to brown your ground beef, and then after you browned it, you're going to drain that, and you're literally going to follow the directions on your seasoning packet. So drain it, and you're also going to need additional 3/4 cup of milk if you're using the cheesy taco mix. So just follow the directions on your seasoning packet. Add your seasoning, add your milk, mix together, and you're going to let this boil and let it simmer for 2 minutes according to the cheesy taco seasoning. If you choose to use the Jiffy corn muffin mix, you're going to need the mix. You're going to need an egg and 1/3 cups of milk. Now that you have your meat mixture done and your cornbread mix mixed or biscuit mix, whatever, I'm going to link the original recipe in the description box so you can make any changes that you want to this recipe. Now what you're going to do is start layering. Our first layer is the meat layer. While you're doing this process, I would definitely have your oven preheating. This is going to be the only 2 layers that we do for now, because this is going to bake in the oven for as long as it takes the bread part to get done. What these 2 layers look like, let's bake this. Now here comes the rest of the layering process. Now if you have reheating in mind, you're only going to want to like layer half of this, because you're not going to be able to reheat it after you slather sour cream on it and stuff. So that's what we're going to do here today as well. Now you need to let this cool off a bit before you do this. So I've already done that. So you want to start with your sour cream. Now for lettuce. Tomatoes. Cheese.
I'll help you. What you got?
Taco sauce.
On it was cheese.
And drizzle a bit of the taco sauce.
And I put that too.
Well, basically that's it. That's all you have to do. Serve with whatever sides you want, and also, like I mentioned earlier, you can layer anything you want on here and make it your own taco casserole. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, found it helpful and easy. If you have any additional comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check that description box for additional kitchen links, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys always for watching.